Magandang umaga sa inyong tanang bigyan. No? Kape. No? No more coffee, guys. Milk na lang to. After I got a acid reflux and heartburn, ito na, hindi naman ako nagkakape ngayon. Milk na lang sa umaga. Tsaka biscuits na acid reflux for a week, more than a week. Ayan. Kape tayo ngayon, mag-isa lang. Kasi yung aking husband is not around. Ayan. Sarap magkape pero no choice. Yan mga napapala ng ano. Mga ano matawag pag may acid reflux, heartburn. Yan. Kung alam. Halo-halo na. Alam niyo talagang Pilipino ako, no? Kasi sausaw sa... Ang galag eh. Ayan. Yan. Gift to ng aming pastora. This is me. This is my husband. My nephew, my mom. This is my sister and my brother. Because my dad is already passed away a long time ago. So, this is my family now. Because my brother and sisters had only one kids. So, they have one, so only that one. I have only 2 nephews. And me and my husband don't, no kids. Ayan, guys. Yan. Kape-kape. Ay, kape-kape sa umaga. Ayan. Thank you. See you on my next video, guys. Bye.